Hello, I welcome you to Solve Math. My name is George Cantref, and you can also call me GEOCAN. Yes, today we are going to continue with our lesson on equations with a variable on both sides of the equal to sign. And we are going to tackle some questions. So please pay critical attention here. What do we have here? We have solve for x in the equation 2 into brackets x plus 5 bracket close is equal to 4 minus x. Good. So let's tackle it. First and foremost, let's write our solution. Good. As I always say, solution is simply how you solve the question. Good. So we have to write the question again. So we have 2 into bracket x plus 5 bracket close is equal to 4 minus x. Good. What do we have to do? We need to expand this. What it means is that this 2 has to multiply this x, this same 2 has to multiply this positive 5. Good. So 2 times x will give us what? 2x. So we have 2x. Now 2 times 5. 2 5 is 10 and it's a positive. So 10 plus 10 is equal to our 4 minus x. So we've expanded this. Good. Now, what do? We are supposed to group like terms, and it's usually easier for the x to be on your left-hand side and the constants to be on your right-hand side. And with this, what do we have closer to the what? The 2x is what? Positive 10. So in order to get rid of it, we are supposed to subtract 10 from both sides of the equation. So 2x plus 10 minus 10 is equal to 4 minus 10, then your minus x. Good, I hope you got it. I placed the minus 10 closer to the 4 because they are both constants, and in order to be easier for us to do that subtraction, I believe you get that. Good. Now, what do? We have 2x. 10 minus 10 is 0, so we just get rid of it. So we have our equal to sign. Now, 4 minus 10 will give us what? You have 4. Then you go and owe 10. This is integers, right? Good. Now, you still be owing, right? But how much will you be owing? It will be 6. So the answer is what? Negative 6. 4 minus 10 will give us negative 6. So negative 6. Then your minus x. Good. Now, looking at your right-hand side, the what? The 6 has to be standing alone. The negative 6 has to stand alone. But what do we have closer? We have what? Negative x. So what you have to do is to what? To add what? X to both sides of the equation, right? So that we can clear the negative x. So we have 2x plus x is equal to negative 6 minus x plus x. Good. Now, 2x plus x will give us what? 3x. Then your equal to sign, you have your negative 6. Negative x plus x will give us 0. You are owing x, you go and pay the x is 0. This is simple integer. So we have 3x is equal to what? Negative 6. What do? We have 3 closer to the x. So we have to divide both sides of this equation by what? The what? 3. So let's write the equation again. 3x is equal to negative 6 divided by 3 divided by 3. I hope you get that. This 3 will cancel it. 3 will go into 6 how many times? It's 3, 2, 6, 3, 1, 3. So x will be equal to, don't forget a negative, negative 2 over 1. Now, any number over 1 at all is the same as that number. So x is equal to negative 2 over 1. Negative 2 over 1 is the same as negative 2. So x will be equal to negative 2. X will be equal to negative 2. Easy as A, B, C, D. Now, if you want to check your answer, as we've always been doing in our previous lessons, you go back to the equation you were given, and wherever you find the what? X, you fix in the value what? Negative 2 in there. And if the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, then you are correct. And as I always say, I can assure you, when you do that now, you will get it. The left hand side will be equal to the right hand side. This brings us to the end of our lesson today. Please be solving more of math. You can visit our various social media platforms and you could have more questions on this. We are GEOCAN TV on YouTube or GEOCAN Educational Channel on YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell so anytime we upload our videos instantly, you can have it. Better still, when you go on Facebook, we are Solvemath or GEOCAN TV or GEOCAN Educational Channel. Also on Kids Zone on Facebook, you can find us there. Like our page, follow our page, and enjoy our videos. Don't forget, share for others to also benefit from this initiative. My name is George Cantref, and I have love for math. So we meet again. It's adios.